In this video, I will show you how to get started with QRanter.ai from start to finish. When you land at the home page, look at the top left corner of your screen and click on Get Started. From there, choose Create Professional Account and the full registration form will open up, just like the one you see here. Now start filling in your details. Now let's walk through how doctors can activate their mandate inside QRanter.ai. Before anything begins, they need to sign up on the application. The sign-up flow is straightforward. Enter the full name, add the Gmail address, apply the referral code if you have one. If not, you can contact us and we will provide you one. Then choose the town and state, create a password, and request the OTP. The system sends the OTP directly to their email, and once it's pasted into the field, the account gets created instantly. After the ID is generated, doctors need to select a subscription plan. Anyone joining through an official referral code receives the associated benefit automatically. When a plan, such as the premium plan, is selected, the dashboard loads and displays the next due date. This clearly shows when the free trial ends and when billing will begin. To activate the subscription, doctors proceed with adding their details, entering card information, and completing the OTP verification for payment. Once the transaction processes successfully, the dashboard updates, confirming that the subscription is now active along with the next billing date. Returning to the application, the dashboard shows that the free trial has started, including the allotted 20 credits for repertorization and 20 credits for teleconsultation. Under Settings, doctors can view full plan details, charged invoices, remaining cycles, and upcoming billing. Additional credits can also be purchased directly from the same panel. If a doctor signs up without a referral code, the login flow remains identical, but the subscription payment is required immediately rather than after a free trial period. This completes the mandate activation process inside QRanter.ai. This completes the sign-up process and gets you fully set up on the platform, ready to explore everything it offers. So now let's talk about the dashboard. When you land here, you get a full operational snapshot of your practice, including total patients, cases this month, follow-up cases, and any upcoming appointments. This top section keeps your performance metrics front and center, so you always know what's happening. Right under that, you'll see the Quick Actions panel. These buttons, Start New Case, View Patients, Search Rubrics, and Teleconsultation, are essentially the same actions you also find in the left side menu. The platform gives them twice, so you can access your core tools instantly, whether you prefer using the sidebar or the Quick Access row. On the left side, the main navigation includes Dashboard, New Case, View Patients, Repertorization, Materia Medica, and Teleconsultation. These are the backbone features for managing cases, researching remedies, and handling online consultations. At the bottom of the dashboard, you'll notice recent cases and your upcoming schedule, where you can monitor your workflow and add new appointments whenever needed. Everything here is structured to give you fast, frictionless control of your practice in one place. Now let's cover how to add a new patient inside QRanter.ai. Start by clicking New Case from the left sidebar. Once the form opens, fill in the essential details, full name, age, gender, phone number, email address, and a brief medical history. After that, enter the symptoms. For example, if the patient has pain, specify the exact body part and the intensity so the record stays clear and actionable. Once everything is filled, save the entry. Your new patient record is now added and ready to use across the system. Now let's discuss how to manage patients inside QRanter.ai. First, open the View Patient section. The drop-down gives you 4 options: Profile, Calendar, Patient Info, and Reports. In the Profile section, you'll see all your patients with their basic info. For example, opening Anjali shows her age, gender, phone number, email, and address. Searching is quick. Typing Soni Gupta instantly filters the patient. To add a new patient, simply enter their name, age, gender, contact details, and select their medical status. Click Add Patient and they appear on your dashboard. Clicking any patient opens their complete details: basic info, contact information, chief complaints, and full prescription history. You can also schedule appointments directly here or add prescriptions. For example, prescribing CPR to Vikram Raj just requires selecting potency, dosage, vehicle, duration, and patient instructions, then adding the prescription. Selecting View Details, go to Patient Info shows a full profile: photo, age, gender, status, last visit, and total visits. You'll also find vital signs, symptoms, medical history, and all prescriptions. In billing, you can add procedure cost, apply discounts, and save the entry. Everything updates instantly. You can also upload patient reports in the Files section, and all information remains fully editable. In the calendar, all appointments appear in a clean layout. You can review past and upcoming visits, edit them, or add new appointments. Switch between day, week, and month views, or jump to any date as needed. Finally, the Reports section shows your earnings, patient-wise and date-wise. You'll see invoice numbers, procedures performed, costs, discounts, and final invoice amounts. Total earnings are automatically calculated. Now let's discuss how to perform homeopathic repertorization using QRantor AI. The first thing you need to know is how many repertorization credits you have available. QRantor AI provides a voice assistant option so you can speak your symptoms or type them if you prefer. Once your symptoms are captured, you can generate the repertorization. This takes around 15 to 20 seconds. QRantor AI is trained on over 2 lakh rubrics, ensuring high precision with over 95% accuracy. After the analysis, your output appears with all relevant rubrics selected. You can navigate through these rubrics using your keyboard arrows, reviewing each one. Based on these rubrics, the AI suggests remedies, showing total score, rubric coverage, and the number of rubrics matched. You can click the View Details button to see the remedy across multiple reference books. QRantor AI shows which books contain the remedy, so you can choose the one you are most comfortable with. To prescribe, simply select the patient, choose potency, dosage, duration, and add any special instructions. Once added, the prescription is saved directly to the patient's data. You can also see total remedies suggested, scores, and rubric coverage for easy reference. A quick reminder, QRantor AI provides AI-generated homeopathic suggestions for professional use only. The final prescription must be made by a qualified practitioner. Now let's discuss how to use the Materia Medica inside QRantor AI. Open the sidebar and click Materia Medica. The interface loads instantly with data compiled from 7 major reference books. To demonstrate, I'll search for sepia. The remedy appears with content pulled from all 7 books, each shown exactly in its original structure, including authors like John Henry Clark. Practitioners can switch to any book they prefer, for example, Adolf von Lippe, Clark, or Tyler Kent, and view the full data with complete precision. When you want to prescribe, select the patient, choose the potency, set the dosage, such as 5 drops, select the vehicle, like sugar pills, choose the duration, like 7 days, and add any special instructions, such as before sleeping at night. Click Add Prescription, and the remedy is immediately saved to the patient's record. You'll see the confirmation right away. That's how you can efficiently use Materia Medica inside QRantor AI for accurate and streamlined homeopathic practice. Now let's talk about teleconsultation inside QRantor AI. This feature allows doctors to instantly connect with patients through audio or video calls. Just select teleconsultation from the left side of the screen, then choose a patient from the list. You can search by their name, phone number, or address, like searching Vikram. And once you select the patient, the call begins right away. If you haven't added the patient yet, you can even add them in real time and start the session without any delay. If a patient needs a joining link, it can be sent instantly through the Send Link option, and the platform dispatches it directly to their email. To begin the session, the doctor simply clicks Join. The audio or video call connects immediately, enabling a seamless consultation experience. The patient can describe their concerns, and if visual assessment is needed, they can turn on their camera to show affected areas, such as rashes, swelling, or any visible symptoms. The Chief Complaint section allows you to capture the main symptoms, modalities, and context. This not only helps take the notes for the exact issue, but also generates the complete repertorization. The interface also includes an integrated chat panel where both the doctor and patient can exchange messages during the session. While the consultation is in progress, the doctor can add symptoms, create repertorization, and prescribe remedies in real time. Once the repertorization is generated, the system presents a structured overview of all selected rubrics, clearly mapped against their corresponding remedies. Each remedy is assigned a score based on its relevance and frequency across the chosen rubrics, allowing for a quick comparative analysis. This scoring helps highlight the most strongly indicated remedies, enabling practitioners to evaluate relative strengths, identify leading options, and make more informed clinical decisions with confidence. Once the remedy is finalized, such as setting potency, dosage, duration, and special instructions, it is added directly to the patient's prescription panel. All chat history can be downloaded with a single click, and screen sharing is available whenever needed. The Chief Complaint section allows practitioners to add a primary issue, which is automatically stored in the patient profile for future reference. This workflow enables doctors to manage remote consultations efficiently and professionally from anywhere. And with that, the teleconsultation module of QRanter AI is fully covered. And that's it, doctors. I hope everything is now clear about QRanter AI. Thanks for watching.